This video is not financial advice, for entertainment only. Is the crypto market making a comeback? After a disastrous 2022, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have seen a massive rebound, with prices surging more than 70% since hitting their lows, reaching a market value of over $1 trillion. But can this rally continue? Many investors are hopeful, and recent data shows a surge in investor interest. Even Tesla, which suffered losses due to the crypto crash, is back in the game. Join me as we explore the highs and lows of the crypto market in 2023. We will be discussing the recent rebound of Bitcoin and other mainstream cryptocurrencies, and whether they can return to a bull market in 2023. 2022 was a painful year for many cryptocurrency investors, with the industry experiencing a wave of bankruptcies and mainstream cryptocurrencies plummeting in value. Many listed companies that hold cryptocurrencies released their 2022 performance reports, and almost all of them have reported huge losses from speculation. Investing in Bitcoin once brought Tesla a huge profit. However, the 2022 market was a nightmare for Musk. At the beginning of 2022, Tesla disclosed in a filing to the SEC that the value of the Bitcoin it held was close to $2 billion at the end of 2021. As Bitcoin entered a bear market and the market fluctuated downward, Tesla began to significantly reduce its position. In the second quarter of 2022, Tesla sold about 75% of its Bitcoin, avoiding further declines in Bitcoin. However, after bidding farewell to the catastrophic year, cryptocurrencies experienced a surge in prices in January 2023, raising hopes of a bull market once again. According to Reuters, after a month of skyrocketing, many investors are once again entering the cryptocurrency field. The recent rebound of Bitcoin and other mainstream cryptocurrencies after a difficult year in 2022, Bitcoin and other mainstream cryptocurrencies experienced a surge in prices in January 2023. Bitcoin quickly rebounded more than 70% from its low point, reaching a peak of over $28,500 per coin, and the total market value of cryptocurrencies also returned to trillions of dollars. According to data from the cryptocurrency investment company CoinShares, last week's inflows of funds exceeded $117 million, the largest weekly increase since July last year. The total assets under management of cryptocurrency funds have risen to $28 billion, an increase of 70% from the low point touched in November last year due to the collapse of the FTX exchange. Cryptocurrency players are also becoming more active, with many laying out mainstream digital assets to welcome the arrival of the bull market in the currency circle. With the Fed's interest rate hike nearing its end, the biggest negative for cryptocurrencies is disappearing, raising hopes for the future. The impact of the U.S. Federal Reserve's interest rate hike. The rise in interest rates was the trigger for the cryptocurrency winter in 2022, with the cryptocurrency industry experiencing a wave of bankruptcies, and the prices of many mainstream cryptocurrencies plummeting. However, after the U.S. Federal Reserve announced a 25 basis point interest rate hike in early February and last week, the price of Bitcoin quickly surged, rebounding more than 70% from its low point. Jean-Marie Mognetti, CEO of CoinShares International Limited, said that the Fed's interest rate cut was a macro-driven factor for the digital asset returns in January. With the interest rate hike nearing its end, many people have started to lay out mainstream digital assets, welcoming the arrival of the bull market in the currency circle. The future outlook for cryptocurrencies in 2023. With the strong rebound of mainstream cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, the voices about the bull market of cryptocurrencies have also increased. Many people are optimistic about the future of cryptocurrencies, with countries around the world laying out in Web3 and fighting for dominance. However, there are still concerns about the future of cryptocurrencies, with many listed companies that hold cryptocurrencies reporting huge losses from speculation in their 2022 performance reports. Investing in Bitcoin once brought Tesla a huge profit, but the 2022 market was a nightmare for Musk. Tesla significantly reduced its position in Bitcoin in the second quarter of 2022 to avoid further declines in Bitcoin. In conclusion, the recent rebound of Bitcoin and other mainstream cryptocurrencies has raised hopes of a bull market in the currency circle once again. With the Fed's interest rate hike nearing its end and many people laying out mainstream digital assets, the future outlook for cryptocurrencies in 2023 is optimistic. With the continued growth of institutional adoption and the development of decentralized finance (DeFi) applications, the cryptocurrency market is expected to continue to expand in the future, and there is a high probability that cryptocurrencies will enter a new bull market. That's all for today. Please subscribe and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.